That was fantastic. Hey, seriously, that was really good.
Yeah, that one felt good.
Yeah, it looked good. What's up, Lincoln?
What's up?
Hey, I'm gonna help you with your ollies today, okay?
Sick.
Cool, let's get it. Before you even pop right now, I just want to see you get your feet set so that you're on the balls of your feet, front foot just behind the second bolts. Yeah, there you go. And then back foot on the tip of the tail, and I want your toes to be in a line. So remember, your pinky toe should go kind of in between these two bolts. That's it, that's it. And then back foot kind of the same. And then you can even hang your pinky toe off the edge for extra power. There you go. So that looks really good. Now, notice how you're kind of heavy on your heels? I want you to kind of center yourself a little bit more. Center your body, so bend your knees a little bit. Yeah, so you feel strong. Almost like trying to keep your heels up off the ground a little bit. That's it. Now that's gonna be your springing power. And I'll take a mental picture of that so you can remember. Okay, remember those heels up a little bit so that you're, yeah, kind of on those toes. Now, we're gonna skate over here and we're gonna practice some ollies on flat ground over a crack in the sidewalk, okay? This isn't so much for you to do a huge ollie, it's more of working on the timing of when to ollie, okay? So we're gonna pick this crack right here. We're gonna pick this crack in the sidewalk right here, okay? So start back there by my skateboard, give it a push, throw your skateboard down. Let me see it. Big push, bending down, big pop. Good, dude. Now, when you did that, did you center your feet where they're supposed to be? Or did you just do what you usually do?
I just did what I usually do.
Yeah, see, so that's what we're working towards, to make some changes here to improve your ollie, okay? So let's try it again. Back up a little bit more, that way you have a little extra time to think about your feet and actually look at them. Because if you just feel them, you'll put them where they used to be. Good. This time, really exaggerate your bend down and focus on right when you bend down is when you pop up, okay? Ah, I'm seeing that back foot come off a bunch.
Yeah.
So, and then we'll help smooth that out by really leaning into the front foot, okay? After you pop, you're gonna pull your knees up into your chest and you really start to transfer your weight into your front foot. Just like when you're running really fast. The faster you run on flat ground and jump is the more you have to leap forward, not just jumping straight up, right?
Yeah.
So go a little faster. Let me see you start back a little bit more. You can even run and throw your skateboard down. And remember the crack, that's it. Bending down, big pop. Try it again, focus on the timing of when to pop. Take your deep breath. That's it, nice and relaxed. It's good, much better, dude. Yeah. Now we're gonna go hold the fence and we're gonna try some ollies and we're gonna work on pulling our knees up underneath our body, okay? Staying nice and extra floaty. That way when we land, we'll extend our legs down into our landing and bend down and sink down into our landing. I'll show you. Yeah, that's right. So take your deep breath. Go ahead, set your feet. That's right. Now really get a nice deep bend and really spring up. And when you spring up and pop, I want you to really pull that skateboard up into your chest. Ah, almost. So you can allow yourself to lean over the fence a little bit for more moon gravity. That way you have more time in the air. So give it a nice big bend down, big pop. Hey, almost. So try to find your rhythm here of popping off your back foot and pulling those knees up. And you can move a little bit slower. Just try to feel it. Nice and slow and smooth. That's better. See what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
It's kind of weird, huh? It's like moon gravity. Try it again. Nice. Okay. Remember, only about a foot from the fence. So anybody else watching with us and wants to practice, for the most part, depending on how tall you are, you start about a foot from the fence. If you're a little bit shorter, you can get a little bit closer. Whoa! Try it again. Remember, really set those feet. Where's that front foot go? Pinky toe in between the bolts, heels up. Nice deep breath. Really bending down deep. Almost, almost. So this is what I'm talking about. More power. I want you to really power off that back foot. Give it a nice big spring as hard as you can and up into the front foot. Almost. So here, Let's switch sides. You stand here, hold the camera, and then I'm gonna show you. All right, so check it out. So, back foot, tip of the tail. Look at how my heels are up. See that? Not sinking down like this, relax.
Yeah.
Okay? Heels are up, and then I keep my head kind of centered. So look, bending down, big power. Okay? That's what you want. You want to really get that spring. So watch. So look at how much I really pull my knees up into my chest. Okay, and even when I land, look, when I land, I exaggerate and really sink down and bend down to absorb that impact. The other big thing is, if you fall, when you ollie something big over stairs or anything fast, when you land like this, you can easily kind of roll. You can land and like roll off of your board rather than slam.
Okay, got it.
Okay. Nice and relaxed. That's much better, dude. Now, as you power off of that back foot, as you spring off of your pop, try to pull your knees up into your body. Almost, almost. Nice and relaxed, a little bit smoother. That's better. Okay, not so strong this time. Not so much power. That's better. Now, this time I want you to pop and feel yourself lean into that front foot. Can you try that? That's better. Good. Try it again. You're doing great, man. Seriously. That's it. Try not to let that board twist. So if you start to lose control while you're doing your ollies, back down on your power. Not so much power, okay? You want to do your best with keeping control. You want to do your best with keeping control. Go ahead, try again. So not so hard, not so hard. I want you to feel that board not leave your feet. Nice and smooth transfer. That's it, see?
Yeah.
Good job, try that again. Good. Nice deep breath, bending down. Good, try to lean into that front foot when you power off that back foot. Nice big pop into the front foot. That's better. Let me see one more of those. Into the front foot. Ah, almost. All right, dude. Let's do some on flat ground. All right, dude, so check it out. We're gonna roll down the bank. And if you look out there, there's two little lines on the ground. You see them?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you're gonna ollie over those.
Okay.
Okay? Good, dude. That's it. Dude, that was fantastic. Hey, seriously, that was really good.
Yeah, that one felt good.
Yeah, it looked good. The last little thing with that is exaggerating your bend down so that you can bend down to regain that balance instantly. Dude, awesome. Yeah, yeah, yeah.